In this video, we will provide tips and tricks for maintaining your cleaning tools to ensure longevity. Proper maintenance can help extend the life of your cleaning tools and save you money in the long run. One of the key factors in maintaining cleaning tools is using the right cleaning solution. Using the wrong solution can damage the tool and shorten its lifespan. Make sure to read the manufacturer's instructions or do research to find the appropriate solution for your cleaning tool. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining cleanliness and extending the life of your cleaning tools. Make sure to clean the tool thoroughly before storing it in a dry area. Avoid leaving the tools in humid or wet areas as it can lead to corrosion or buildup of bacteria. Regular cleaning is essential for maintaining the effectiveness of your cleaning tool. After each use, make sure to clean the tool thoroughly to prevent buildup of dirt, grime, or bacteria. This will not only ensure better cleaning results, but also prolong the tool's lifespan. Creating a maintenance schedule is an effective way to ensure that your cleaning tools are always in good condition. Write down a schedule for regular maintenance activities like sharpening or oiling. This will help you keep track of what needs to be done and when, and ensure longevity of the tools. In summary, proper maintenance is the key to ensuring longevity of your cleaning tools. Use the right cleaning solutions, store them in dry areas, clean them regularly, and create a maintenance schedule. These simple tips will help you save money in the long run and keep your cleaning tools in great condition.